What's going on with EV market, guys? NIO is down 3%, muln is 33%, Tesla is pulling back almost from last December, last month, almost 25%. So it is the right moment right now to buy the EV stocks because they are discounted, or we have to wait a bit for a better dip. In today's video, we have discussed that where the market maker will buy for NIO, Tesla, XPEV, and muln, of course, the biggest loser last Friday, 33% in EV stock. So we're gonna discuss where the price will go, where the or what's the best stock, or which one we should buy right now for a chance for a reversal and make some money. That's why we're doing this video, guys. So first, let us discuss NIO, and then we discuss the other cryptos or EV stock. For now, we have to discuss really important thing for NIO because short sellers just came and shorted NIO below the $5. If you remember, guys, after the earnings, we have nice jump, almost 20% here. This was a good reaction, and we said the reason that we pulled back because we got not even short sellers shorting NIO, but bag holders. What does it mean by bag holders? It means some stock traders who bought NIO before and this jump is still trapped. So they exited around this level. You see here, we some bag holders exited around the 6, then here around the 530, and that's why the price pulled back really quick. Then the second day, we pulled back down and we accumulated a bit here. There's another chance for another squeeze to go toward at least around the 6, but again, bag holders prefer the price to go up for NIO. So where are we gonna go from now? This will be a great question. But first, let us discuss Tesla, and then we go back to NIO. Tesla doing all right now is corrective. For Tesla, it's still corrective. Why? Because after the earnings, guys, if you remember, we got really great earnings back in October for Tesla, and we did 130% in just less than 2 months. So now we keep correcting. We corrected how much? We pulled back 22%. So for Tesla, it's still looking good because as long as we hold the current bottom or support for this month over the 368, Tesla will continue to go up because the first reversal we got after we have this pullback of 22% was back in beginning of this year on January. We pulled back up almost from this dip, 12% in a span of few days, and now we went down again because the short seller added their position here around the 402. So for Tesla, we don't have bag holders. Instead, we have only short sellers. As everybody knows, Tesla is most heavily shorted stocks for last year. So the short seller is still betting on the price to go down from now for Tesla, even though we have a bit of bad news for Tesla about the deliveries. However, this is didn't prevent the buyers buying again around the dip because every time we have a dip for Tesla, we got some buyers buying Tesla. However, for now, if we want to confirm that we're gonna have a jump up and a new all-time high for this year over the $500, we need to break the 402 for the next month or the next week and hold over the 368. Because if we broke this level, guys, for Tesla, it means we're gonna go down toward the 348.50. Those levels we already discussed them earlier on our Discord, guys. If you remember, guys, we always do our live streaming update, chart analysis updates for mini stocks, and we every time we update you minute by minute, second by seconds around around the right price value for mini stocks. If you want to join us, guys, for early trades, early alerts for when to buy, when to sell, of course, you can head toward our Patreon Discord in order to have updated levels for Tesla or for other stocks, because we're not just discussing EV stocks, but we discuss even crypto stocks, day trade, swing trade, whatever the best setup. We discuss them first on Discord before even we do this video, because once we do the video, it will be too late to catch some stocks, especially for day trade momentum stocks. However, as we said, for Tesla, guys, if we pull back, we're gonna go toward the 448 if we broke the 368. So for now, for this month, we need to hold this support to reverse up. For XPEV, on the other hand, we have the 1130 and we got the 1354 as a resistance to reverse up. So for XPEV and Tesla, looking pretty good to continue higher once again after the good earnings. As of course for November, the same for XPEV, we got the same reaction that happened for Tesla happened for XPEV. After the earning, we got for this one jumped 30%, not 12% like Tesla. So now for XPEV for this year, if we held over the 979, is mean this one will continue toward the 15 and beyond. For this year, my target is just below the $20, around the 18.29. For muln, guys, I don't suggest buying right now because after the short sellers and the back holders shorted or exited around the 91, we saw a flush. What I mean by flush, everybody running with their money pretty fast. So you see here, we got a bit of reversal around the 97. We reversed almost 92%. Then the price flush down, didn't hold because muln is heavily shorted and diluted. If you just see here, we got many reverse splits. Look at this. We got here 1 to 25, 2023. 1 to 9 reverse split, 1 to 100 in 2023 in December, and lastly last year in September we did again 1 to 100, and the price continued to go down below the $1 once again. So this is dilution one-on-one for you guys, so be careful. muln is not good as long as we are below the 91. For now, I'm not interested in buying for muln. However, for nio, there's a chance, guys. Let us go back to nio. The main question, the main reason that we did this video, because nio broke this support around the $4.30. So this is a really important and urgent update for nio, because nio might go further down toward the 364, which is the bottom. And for now, I don't suggest averaging down or buying at the moment. I will wait. Either we break the $4.90 for a signal that we got a big whale buying, and then we're gonna have the 750 and might over go toward the $10. But for the time being, if we don't break the 490, I don't suggest to do anything and wait until we test the 3.64 and see what's going to happen. Because if we reverse, yeah, it could be good for entry. Otherwise, the best entry for nio, guys, for this year and this month, of course, it is around the $2.22. Right now, you ask me like, oh man, Jesus, this is too much. It's almost 38% drop. Yeah, this is not like crazy for nio. If you just check in how much we dropped here, 76% in a span less than a year. So this drop, I'm not saying it will happen next week or next month. It might happen after 3 months span of a year. If we broke the 364, I just wait. I'm not doing anything. If the price went there, yes, I'm gonna buy the dip for nio for a chance for reversal. Otherwise, it's better to do nothing. Sometimes it's good in life to do nothing. If you do something, you might make the problem worse. It's like driving a car and a flat tire. If you move and go further with the flat tire, you risk like screwing up your vehicle, and like you have more problem than flat tire. This and sometimes even your engine, if you don't have water inside or whatever, you risking like making the problem worse. Okay, the first problem is just putting the water in order to cool down the motor. But if you continue to go down the road and you don't address the problem, which is putting the water to cool down the motor, guess what happened? You're gonna burn your motor. You're gonna make you burn screwed up. So you have to buy a new motor, which is too expensive. Before it was just water. We just put water in the cooler to cool the motor, and you're making the problem worse by by moving, by not addressing the problem. The same with nio, guys. Is the situation sometimes need us to just stand still and not doing anything. For now, I don't suggest to do anything because we are between the support and resistance. I will wait either for buying the dip or at least going near the $3.64 to see if we have a reversal or breaking the $4.90. In the time being, we have to watch closely what's going to happen for the next week. And then we're going to do update again for nio, guys. So hit the like, subscribe, of course, in order to be notified about this update. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow around our live streaming that we're gonna do around the 9 a.m. Eastern time or around 3 p.m. Central European time if you live in Europe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend and see you by tomorrow.